The Christmas season is here and we are about to do these cocoa cookies, and this is how you guys it turned out. Don't mind me, the box was upside down. Yes, the box, I don't know why I was filming upside down, but we're gonna jump in right into this video, and this is how it turned out with the boys making their Christmas cookies today.
Do I have to go get it?
And then we'll have to go to the guy to make us like it is.
I need my package of things.
What are you doing?
Nice films. And then leave them. Like, they won't report. Stay in the cage and do it. You want to
I said no. This is like that. And this is straight up.
I don't know what one in there.
It's called diabetes.
What he actually thought it was.
I gotta get to go down.
You get top open?
I'm trying to.
Let me see.
You're going to come and walk over.
Oh.
Alright, tell me how it tastes.
It tastes good.
Good?